won't be necessary. Princess Emma? No. Oh, it wasn't me, Your Majesty. It was the children. School supplies. Well, very funny, Bailiwick. Reversal! Perhaps I should have found the soft landing potion before doing that.
Mr. Cedric, we need your help. What are we going to do now? You're the best, Mr. Cedric.
Yes, I am. Hey, what's one more? But time is running out. Tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock. It's infuriating. I never did, but I'm sure she will.
Mr. Cedric?
It's Cedric. Cedric!
His name is Everfire.
What's going on? Where am I? Of a pesky Fleagle. Cora! Someone considers me one of the greatest sorcerers in the world. Oh, I've dealt with those bossy little cave dwellers before.